Are you worried about your cholesterol or triglyceride levels? Do you feel confused by all the conflicting advice out there? You're not alone. But the good news is, you have the power to make a huge difference through what you eat. Today, we're cutting through the noise. I'm going to give you a clear, simple guide on what to eat, what to avoid, and then, the best part, a 30-day, step-by-step plan to help you take control of your health. Let's get started on your journey to a healthier heart. First, let's understand what we're dealing with. Think of your blood vessels as highways. Cholesterol and triglycerides are like types of cargo. We need some, but too much can cause traffic jams, or what doctors call plaque buildup. LDL, or low-density lipoprotein, is the bad cholesterol. It's the one that drops off its cargo and contributes to these blockages. On the other hand, HDL, or high-density lipoprotein, is the good cholesterol. It acts like a cleanup crew, picking up excess cholesterol and taking it back to the liver to be processed. Triglycerides are another type of fat in your blood that your body uses for energy, but high levels, often linked to eating more calories than you burn, especially from sugary foods and alcohol, can also increase your risk. So our goal is simple: lower the bad stuff, LDL and triglycerides, and boost the good stuff, HDL. And we can do that with food. Let's start with the superstars of a heart-healthy diet. These are the foods you want to invite to your plate every day. Number 1. Soluble fiber. This is your secret weapon. Soluble fiber dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance in your digestive system. This gel traps cholesterol and fats, preventing them from being absorbed into your bloodstream. Where do you find it? Oats are a fantastic source. A warm bowl of oatmeal for breakfast is a classic for a reason. Other great sources are barley, apples, citrus fruits like oranges, pears, carrots, and beans. Yes, all kinds of beans, black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, are packed with soluble fiber. Next up, healthy fats. Wait, fats? Aren't they the problem? Not all fats are created equal. We need to focus on unsaturated fats, which can actually improve your cholesterol profile. Monounsaturated fats are found in olive oil, avocados, and nuts like almonds and walnuts. Polyunsaturated fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids, are incredibly beneficial. They're famous for lowering triglycerides and reducing inflammation. The best sources are fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, herring, and sardines. If you're not a fan of fish, you can get omega-3s from plant sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Just a handful of walnuts or a tablespoon of ground flaxseed in your smoothie can make a real difference. Now, let's talk about what to limit or avoid. This is just as important. The main culprits are saturated and trans fats. Saturated fats are typically solid at room temperature and are found in fatty cuts of red meat, full-fat dairy products like butter and cheese, and tropical oils like coconut and palm oil. You don't have to eliminate them completely, but cutting back is key. Swap butter for olive oil when you cook. Choose lean cuts of meat and opt for low-fat dairy. The real villain, however, is trans fat. These are often found in processed and fried foods. Think French fries, commercial baked goods like cookies and crackers, and margarine. Trans fats are terrible for your health because they raise your bad LDL cholesterol while simultaneously lowering your good HDL cholesterol. It's a double whammy. Always check food labels for partially hydrogenated oils. If you see that on the ingredients list, put it back on the shelf. Also, be mindful of added sugars and refined carbohydrates. Things like sugary drinks, candy, white bread, and pastries can cause a spike in your triglyceride levels. Your body converts this excess sugar into triglycerides for storage, so Cutting back on soda and desserts, and choosing whole grains like whole wheat bread and brown rice over refined versions is a smart move. Feeling a bit overwhelmed? Don't worry. Change doesn't have to happen overnight. That's why I've created a 30-day step-by-step plan. We'll focus on adding one new healthy habit each week. It's all about making small, sustainable changes that add up to big results. Ready for week 1? Our goal is to boost your breakfast. For the next 7 days, I want you to start your day with a high-fiber meal. Ditch the sugary cereal or plain toast. Instead, have a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Or, if you prefer something savory, try a veggie omelet with a side of whole wheat toast and a slice of avocado. This simple switch sets a positive tone for the entire day, keeps you full, and starts your cholesterol-lowering journey on the right foot. Welcome to Week 2. You've nailed the healthy breakfast. Now, our focus is to master your fats. This week, we're going to make 2 simple swaps. First, replace your usual cooking fat, like butter or vegetable oil, with extra virgin olive oil. Second, I want you to eat at least 2 servings of fatty fish, like salmon or mackerel, this week. If you're vegetarian, aim to have a tablespoon of ground flaxseed or chia seeds every single day. You can add them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. These changes will increase your intake of heart-healthy, unsaturated fats and omega-3s. You're halfway there. It's week 3, and our theme is Veggie Power. Your mission this week is to add 1 extra serving of vegetables to both your lunch and your dinner. It can be as simple as adding a side salad, throwing a handful of spinach into your pasta sauce, or snacking on carrot sticks instead of chips. Vegetables are low in calories and packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support heart health. By consciously adding more veggies, you'll naturally crowd out less healthy options and fill your body with nutrients. It's the final stretch. Week 4. Let's talk about smarter snacking and sweets. This week, we're going to tackle those in-between meal cravings and dessert habits. Your goal is to swap out processed snacks for whole food alternatives. Instead of reaching for a bag of chips, grab a piece of fruit, a small handful of almonds, or some yogurt. When a sugar craving hits, try a baked apple with cinnamon or a few squares of dark chocolate, at least 70% cacao. This isn't about deprivation. It's about making smarter choices that satisfy you without spiking your sugar and triglycerides. Congratulations, you've completed the 30-day plan. You've built a foundation of incredibly healthy habits. You've boosted your breakfast, mastered your fats, powered up with veggies, and learned to snack smarter. These aren't just temporary fixes. These are lifestyle changes that will benefit your heart for years to come. Remember to pair these dietary changes with regular physical activity and stay in touch with your doctor to monitor your progress. You've taken a massive step towards a healthier you, and you should be incredibly proud. Thank you so much for watching and for investing in your health. I hope you found this guide helpful and empowering. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.